Hey guys, this week we're going to be adding and subtracting polynomials and finding the GCF. What is the sum or difference of the monomials? So here on the left side we have sum of 5x cubed plus 4x cubed. And when we have two coefficients that are being added or subtracted and they have like terms as the variable and the exponent and they're on the same side of the equal sign, we can simplify those coefficients. So here we have 5 and 4, which are going to be added, and we're left with 9x cubed. On the right side, we have difference. So we're going to be subtracting the coefficients. We're going to be subtracting the 5 and the 4, which leave us with 1, which leaves my answer as x cubed. Let's take a look at when it's a large polynomial. Here we're going to be doing the sum of this polynomial. 5x cubed minus x squared plus 3x minus 2, all being added by 8x to the fourth plus 4x cubed minus 3x minus 5. So we're going to want to begin by organizing our terms. As you can see, I used a modification of a t-chart. Make sure you have one column for each of the variables with its own exponent. And then we're going to start lining up our terms. Now the 5 is going to go under the x cubed. It's not going to go under the x fourth. So remember that and bring down your other terms. Then we're going to bring down the second polynomial. And we're going to add these together. Our first term is going to be the 8x to the fourth. 5 and 4 make 9. Negative 1 comes down. The 3 and the negative 3 zero out. And the negative 2, negative 5 make negative 7. Now we can just simplify. The only one we can get rid of is that 0. We don't need it. And we also don't need the exponent of 1, so it's just going to be left as x. We bring everything else down to become 8x to the fourth plus 9x cubed minus x squared minus 7. Let's take a look at when we're subtracting. This one can get a little more difficult. Here, we're going to want to distribute that negative to the entire second polynomial. So we can start by organizing our data again. Bringing down our coefficients. And then we're going to bring down what was distributed. The negative applies to the 8, becomes negative 8. Negative 4, positive 3, and positive 5. Now that we've distributed the negative, we can simplify by adding these two rows again. We're left with the negative 8x to the fourth plus 1x cubed, negative 1x squared plus 6x to the first, and plus 3. We can simplify, bringing down just to have negative 8x to the fourth plus x cubed minus x squared plus 6x plus 3. Our last operation today is going to be the GCF of a polynomial. So what is the GCF? The GCF is the greatest common factor, so we want to find what is the common factors to all of these terms. Well, let's start by breaking down and list the prime numbers of each term. The 5 is going to be a prime number, so it's going to stay as itself, but I'm going to get 5 x's behind it. The negative 30x cubed, the negative separates off, and we're left with 2 times 3 times 5, with 3 x's being multiplied. And the 15 breaks down into 3 and 5 being multiplied, and 2x is being multiplied. What do they all share in common? They all share a 5 and 2 x's. We bring those down and we write in simplest form. 5 times x becomes 5x squared, which is our GCF. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Please subscribe. Have a great day.